Meanwhile, in a big reprieve to ace filmmaker Karan Johar, the Narcotics Bureau has clarified that it is not investigating his 2019 party. Karan Johar on Friday even issued a statement officially denying that any narcotic substance was consumed during that party that he had hosted in 2019. He had called the allegations baseless and false. The video, which was shared by Karan Johar, shows top Bollywood stars like Deepika Padukone, Vicky Kaushal, Shahid Kapoor, Ranbir Kapoor, Malaika Arora and Varun Dhawan and many others at that gathering.
नहीं उसका इस केस से कोई लेना देना नहीं है। इस केस से मैंने कहा कोई लेना देना नहीं है।
लेकिन अलग केस बनाकर उस पर इन्वेस्टिगेशन होगी।
नो स्पेकुलेशन।
Across to now my colleague Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai. Mustafa, so while the Narcotics Bureau has said that Karan Johar's party is not going to be investigated, that statement of M.A. Jain can be seen as a relief for the filmmaker, because there were these speculations going on if there were banned narcotic substances that were used at that party.
Well, yes, Pooja, but clearly Mr. Jain has clarified that as of now it's not related to the case which the NCB is investigating, which is this cases in which all the people have been summoned. But yes, if there is any evidence with NCB to prove that there was narcotic substances consumed at that party, they can register a different case in that all regard. So what we can say at this point of time is that we have to maintain that it is part of an inquiry, because there were allegations clearly made against it. But yes, there is no what we can say prima facie evidence found against Karan Johar or anybody who was at this party for them to be summoned, to be inquired, or for a case to register. We'll have to wait and see what happens in the future. But yes, right now we can say that as of now, the NCB Mumbai zones which are investigating these cases are not looking at Karan Johar's party. Back to you, Pooja.
Mustafa, where does, for the benefit of our viewers, this narcotics investigation now go forward? Because the stars have been questioned, there have been other people that have been questioned and taken into custody as well. Are we expecting fresh summons? Are we expecting other people to be called in? What happens now to the final conclusive report?
Well, very much so, Pooja. There will be more people who will be called in this case, because if you remember, the episode of Con Talent Management Company, which the NCB had opened, has not reached its conclusion as of now. Jaya Saha and many more clientele of Con are yet to be inquired, investigated and summoned. Also, the actresses whose statement have been recorded today, we are not saying that they will be summoned again, but yes, this all statements have to go to Rakesh Asthana, who heads the Narcotics Control Bureau, and then he will supervise and take a call what has to be done in this case further, and hence they may decide to take these statements on their face, or they may want to probe further. So these are things which are still open-ended at this point of time. There have been many accused who have been arrested in the case, but yes, the NCB is still focusing on Bollywood drug citadel, and we could still hear something big, some big revelations, some big names coming from NCB in the coming days. Back to you.
Mustafa, keep tracking all the latest on this. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.